Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video weekend edition for Halloween, October 31st, 2016. As you see, it's about 7 minutes after the close. Today was all about a nasty reversal having to do with some political instability, having to do with the FBI supposedly reopening an email investigation. But the key in here isn't that. The key is that we have a lot of negative things that could be going on in the market, one of them being the big rout in the bond market, and that this time the whole idea is there is nowhere else to put your money is now not true anymore. Every other time we've had an ES sell-off, we've had yields plummet or bonds rally, and then the market goes up, the ES is because there's nowhere else to put your money. This time the market's being dragged down by bonds. So it doesn't take a lot of news to maybe break this pattern here on the left. There are already some, like the Russell, that is trying to break that pattern already. So to sum up what happened in the market today, we went like this. We were up 12 points on the ESs, and in a jiffy did this, and then spent the rest of the day working off the oversold condition. So the ES is down all of 25. One time, like I said, they were down a lot more, down 10 points. NASDAQ down 2 points, Russell up 230. Like I said, the Russell has been bringing up the rear on a daily chart in here. As you see here, decisively breaking under this level. You have the bonds down 7 again. This is something that on the simpler stocks on the premium side, we have been forecasting since the bonds were 170. If you get a chance to sign up for our trials, that ledge right there, we have a whole learning series on what a ledge is. The more times you can connect a horizontal line, the more significant. That sell-off from there, we got incredibly bearish bonds, and then we're like overbought in a downtrend. You got to short them even more. That's another one of our learning videos. If you have a subscription, you actually get these 1-hour sessions come with your service. It's free even with your trial. Today you had the Dow Jones down 8. As you see, this doesn't look the most promising in the world either. SPX down 6. Transports, Mr. Toad's wild ride today. They were up 50 and then down 50. And I'll explain why in a minute. Basically, they did this. All the stuff I told you about the emails, that didn't help. But also Iran and Iraq saying that they weren't going to go in on the production cuts. This hit a lot of the rail stocks. A lot of the rail stocks carry the coal. And if the oil goes down, coal goes down, rails go down. That's just how it's been for a long time in here. By the close, it bounced back a little. And as you see in here, you have the transports up 320. Gold up 720. Dollar got smoked today. Pretty pathetic. All the gold could do was go up 7. Crude oil down $1, like I told you on some news. Advanced decline minus 600. Most of the day it acted relatively weak in here. Even when the market was up 12 points, this was only up like 500. Yeah, the VIX up 55 cents. Very curious in here. Something that we teach on the Simpler Stocks premium side is about the volatility index. Today, when the market was on its high, the volatility index wasn't even negative for the day. It was a fantastic tell. You had the UVXY up, Nikkei, DE down, DE China down fractionally in here, like you see. So like I said, the idea with the market in here is it's teetering right on this ledge here. It's not going to take a lot of news to move this down. So just to show you what you get with your $7 trial, I know I mentioned it before. You get the chat room. We're on from 9 to 10 in the morning. We have a gold service that's an additional charge where I'm on in the afternoons. You have the premium videos, a lot more in depth than what you're hearing now. You have the forum where everybody can communicate in a message board type of way, either with me or with each other, and a meetup. Those are where every like 2 or 3 weeks we do a class. Creating your own scans. Simple indicator. We've done a lot of them. And those go into the learning center and you get those access to those. You also have the email alerts where every morning or night I'm posting at least 6 index and futures charts, 6 stock trades, and unusual option activity. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this. Have a great weekend. And one other thing in here that I need to speak in is Tucker is having a class in here tomorrow called the Simpler Trend Trading System. So this is going to be held on October 29th from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., a 4-hour class. If you're interested in this, he's really good at teaching long-term stock ideas. It's at simplertrading.com, right in here. So everybody have a great night. I will talk to you later.